Hello dear friends, welcome to Maths. Hope you all are fine. So let's see what is our today's topic. Today our topic is number line. So let's see what are we going to learn today. First, what is number line? What are the uses of number line and the rules of number line. Okay, so let's start. So at first, what is number line? A number line is a horizontal or slipping line with numbers marked on it at equal gaps. And you can see here is a slipping line and it has arrows on both sides. So to make it a number line, what to do now? We have to put the numbers on it. So let's do it. We start from the number 0. Then which number will come? Yes, number 1. Then which number will come? Yes, number 2. Similarly, after that, which number will come? Number 3. Then number 4. And this process will continue like 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And now one important thing, that's gap between the numbers, two numbers, that is 0 and 1. And 1 and 2 are equal. Similarly, between 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 also are equal. And this process will also continue. That means all these gaps are equal. Okay. Now let's see what are the uses of number line. Learn many things with the help of number line. Like number 1, which number comes before, after and between. Then greater than, equal to and less than. Skip counting, addition and subtraction, and multiplication also we can learn with the help of number line. Now let's see the rules of number line. And at first, the rule number 1. As we move from left to the right direction, the number gets larger. Now you can see here is the number line. And this is the left side of the number line. And this is the right side of the number line. Now someone is coming to help us. So let's see who is coming here. Oh, here is Doraemon. And he is now on the number 0. And he moves from left to the right direction. So Doraemon, let's move. And he is now on the number 1. Now we know that 1 is greater than 0. Okay. So now he moves to the next number. That is number 2. And we know that 2 is greater than 1 and 0. Now he moves to the next number, that is number 3. And we know that what? That 3 is greater than 2 and 1 and 0. So now Doraemon, let's move to the next number. Yes, he is now on the number 4. And what is? Yes, we know that 4 is greater than 3, 2 and 1 and 0. Yes, and this process will also continue. When we move from left to the right direction on the number line, the number gets larger. Okay, so got it? Move to the next rule, that is rule number 2 of number line. As we move from the right to the left direction, the number gets smaller, just opposite of rule number 1. This is the number line and this is left side and this is right side. Here we helped Doraemon to move from right to left because as earlier Doraemon helps us. So where Doraemon is now? Doraemon is now on the number 13. So now he moves from right to the left direction. So he is now on the number 12. And we know that 12 is less than 13. Now Doraemon moves to the next number and he is now on the number 11. And we know that 11 is less than 12, is less than 13. Now he next to the next number, that is number 10. And we know that 10 is also less than 11, then 12, then 13. Which number? Yes, he is on the number 9. And we know that 9 is less than 10, 11, then 12, then 13, and this process will also continue. That means when we move from right to the left direction on the number line, the number gets smaller. Okay, so got it, the rule number 2? Let's see once again. What did we learn today? We learned today number line is a straight sleeping line or horizontal line, and on it numbers marked as equal gaps, and the numbers on the number line get larger as we move from left to the right direction, and the number gets smaller as we move from right to the left direction. Okay, so that's all for the day. Take care and bye-bye.